Hi guys, if you're hungry, I can teach you something how to cook a little sandwich when you're hungry. So, you take a plate, a slice of bread, I already put it some ketchup here. Then we take some cheese. Okay. Yeah, good. Oh, nice. And now let's take some ham. Okay. 1, 2. Great work. Now we put it into the microwave. Yeah, right here. Oh, I'll put it here for now. I'm just with the other hand with the camera. Wait until it cooks. Okay, it's now cooked. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. But next time I recommend to don't use the plastic plate. Even if you have the food here, you shouldn't use the plastic next time. Next time you can use a plate like this. Yeah, you got a snack. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bon appetit.